Storytelling Part 3. The Call for Change. The call for change inspires your audience to take action. You need to describe why they should care and why the challenge cannot be solved without them. To be convincing, you have to show that you've done everything in your power to make things better and why that is still not enough. Let's return to my story as an example. The day finally came when I was to meet with the community leader. Whenever I'm nervous, I get very thirsty. That day, as I waited for him, I drank all the water I had with me. It wasn't enough to calm me down. The community leader oversaw the finances, and this meeting was my only hope of getting paid. I had already sold my chickens, and I didn't know how I was going to feed my 4 children. When he invited me inside, I told him the story of my struggles and explained how most CHWs in the community were facing the same challenges. I'm sorry to say this in the middle of the pandemic, but most of us will soon need to reduce our hours or quit. Without us, the health of the community will suffer, and that is why I'm asking you to pay us for the time we spend visiting sick households. Because my call for change was clear and direct, the story had a positive outcome. The community leader realized that he would lose CHWs if we continued to not be paid, and that this would result in the community becoming sicker. He also recognized that he had the power to resolve the issue and that it was worth doing. So he increased pay for all CHWs in my district. So how do you write the call for change in your story? You should be clear and direct about what kind of change you want to see. For example, and that is why I'm asking you to change the vaccination policy. And that is why CHWs need to be invited to community health conferences. And that is why our program needs to be funded for 2 more years. If your audience is politicians or health officials, the change could be creating a new health policy. If your audience is global conference attendees, the change could be listening to CHW voices and respecting their knowledge. If your audience is an NGO, the change could be extending a CHW program instead of ending it.